Stop saying use in business English. If you want to sound more professional, say this instead: leverage. Welcome to Vocabulary Engine, one powerful English word every day to improve your English. Today's word is leverage. Leverage means to use something to your advantage. It's about using what you already have to get better results. It's common in business English. Pronunciation: leverage. Repeat after me: leverage. She leveraged her experience to get a better job. That means she used her experience strategically. We leveraged social media to grow our business. This sounds more professional than saying used. He leveraged his connections to find new clients. In a meeting you can say, we should leverage our data to improve performance. This sounds confident and strategic. Don't use leverage for simple daily actions. Say use in normal situations. Leverage means to use something to your advantage. Write your own sentence in the comments. Subscribe to Vocabulary Engine and improve your English one word at a time.